Howdy YouTube. Working on mowers today. This year I'm gonna clean and paint the decks. So if it was a perfect world, I'd pull the engine off. There's 3 bolts. But guess what? It's K30 crazy world, and that world is far from perfect. So it's just getting blasted with paint. But this is mid-video of another video I'm filming. But we're just gonna blow her off, and then I'll take a wire wheel and a grinder and blast her clean, fairly clean anyway, and then paint her up, I reckon. Let's get to it. Okay, it's flipped over. Got my weapon of attack, and I recommend gloves and safety harnesses, but no gloves here, and safety squints are gonna do. So let's get to it. Okay, so that's cleaned up, and I'm a muddy mess. That is our plate for the blade, which the blade is also off. Alright, now what we're going to do is flip her over to dump all the crap out of it, and we'll hose her down with some paint and primer real quick. Let her dry, kinda. Nothing perfect. Good enough for its for. I'll grab some paint and be right back. Okie dokie, I got my red oxide metal primer, Farm and Implement Rust-Oleum. I'm gonna do this real quick. I was gonna do the blade, I'm not gonna do the blade. I just cleaned her up with a wire wheel. I'll sharpen it, but I ain't painting it. And we'll do the tractor in this video too whenever I get to that. And we'll just start. Yeah, get out the spray there, helper. It's cold and windy. I'm not going for quality, I'm going for cover. If anybody watches Logger Wade, he says he paints not by mil thickness, but by RPI, runs per inch. And that has stuck with me. That's how I have always painted. For the most part, when it's crap like this, I don't care about how it looks. It just got to be protected and functional. I think you guys understand how to paint. I'll bring you back for the black. Come on. Alright, she's primed up. She's still a little wet, but time is of an essence. So I got crap to do. Time for black. I did one coat of primer. I'm probably going to do 2 coats of paint. So, maybe. Who knows? This is Rust-Oleum Farm and Implement paint for in gloss black. For anyone needing paint, this is pretty cheap stuff, and it's worked good for me so far. I have painted everything on the Blazer, I believe, front end wise with this. It's a little rusty, but it's also been sitting on a gravel lot and been pelted with snow and rock salt, so can't complain. I believe this is, I've also did only 1 coat, so you know, it can be better with more than 1 coat. But I do believe this is what I'm painting the Bronco with. And I'm starting to lean towards painting the Beast with this too, the frames I'm talking about, not the whole vehicles. But I was thinking of getting them the Beast powder coated, but no. Gloss black Farm and Implement paint. Just let that tack up for a minute or 2 or 5, and slap another coat on it and call her good. But yeah, that way the deck won't rust out too bad anymore. Okay, so to continue the painting escapades, we did the push mower. We're doing the tractor now. I popped it off, popped the blades off in the other video, and back at it. But we got the big battery this time, the 12.0. Time to ground it. And I'll just keep doing that until she's done. I forgot, I got it clean. All ground down, just painting it again. Farm and Implement red oxide metal primer. And I think gloss black, or semi-gloss black, one of 2. It's not, I think it's gloss black. I don't care, just getting her so she don't rust. And I don't paint on mil thickness, I paint on RPI. If you're not familiar with that measurement technique, it's runs per inch. So the more you glop on, the better. I'm joking, you don't want it running too bad, but you get what I'm saying. Do 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. and come back to you when we do the paint. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's painted black now. Oops. I was having a good conversation and spray painted the whole freaking thing without even thinking about the camera. So I apologize. But it's painted now, and in the words of Lucky Costa, paint it black, put it back. So just gotta slap the blades back on it and put it back underneath. So that's the two tractors, well, the tractor and the push mower, all painted up. Keep the decks from rusting. This one's still in great shape, so try to keep it that way. But that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. You can follow me on social media. It's Facebook, Instagram, both K30 Crazy. And as always, until next time, stay crazy. Have a good